Assalamualaikum everyone. I am Fatin Najwa and today I'm gonna explain about Andrographis paniculata, also known as Hempedi bumi or the king of bitters. Right now we're going to look into its traditional use. Hempedi bumi is a medicinal herb and is widely used in Southeast Asia. This plant has long been valued in traditional medicine system like Ayurveda and traditional Chinese medicine. One of the primary use is for treating fever and infection because it has antimicrobial and antiviral properties. Second, it's also believed to support liver health. It's commonly used for detoxify the liver and help with liver inflammation. Thirdly, it's also known for digestive, whether for indigestion, constipation or diarrhea. Lastly, Hempedi bumi has anti-inflammatory properties and it is often used for pain relief, especially in conditions like arthritis.
This Asian herb has a long history in traditional medicine, used to fight infection and reduce inflammation. But why is Hempedi bumi is gaining attention in modern medicine? Studies show that its active compound, especially andrographolite, has antiviral, antibacterial, and anti-inflammatory effects. These properties make it a promising natural aid for boosting immunity, managing colds, and reduce inflammation with fewer side effects other than conventional treatments. As scientists explore natural effective treatment, Hempedi bumi offers a compelling option. It is a perfect example of how traditional remedies can complement modern health approaches, bridging ancient wisdom with scientific discovery.
The active ingredients of the Andrographis paniculata is andrographolite, which are categorized as diterpenoids. These bioactive compounds have been shown to be accountable for various pharmacological effects, including antibacterial agents. Andrographis paniculata has shown significant antibacterial activity, and it is mainly depends on the concentration of the active ingredients. It has an effect on Pseudomonas aeruginosa, Staphylococcus aureus, and E. coli. It is also can treat skin conditions like eczema and can help reducing the bacterial load in urinary tract infections. It has an antimalarial effect. It was evaluated against Plasmodium berhi, where the extract of the plant inhibited the multiplication of the parasites and demonstrated a higher antimalarial effect, antidiarrheal effect. Because it has an effect against E. coli bacterial infections, this plant can be used to treat diarrhea. So, based on tests that was conducted, andrographolite and neo-andrographolite that contains in the plant has showed similar activity to loperamide, the most common antidiarrheal drugs that are currently being used.
Another example of pharmacological action is prevention of cardiac disease. Andrographis paniculata inhibit the increase in blood pressure that is caused by noradrenaline. It can act as an antihypertensive because it relaxes the smooth muscle in the walls of blood vessels. This can prevent the blood vessel from contracting and limiting the blood flow and oxygen to the heart, brain, and other important organs in the body. The next one is anti-cancer effect. This plant contains terpenoids which are known to cause differentiation of cancer cells, where the extract from the leaf are cytotoxic against cancer cells. Other main effects of andrographolite on cancer cells are the inhibition of cells replication and migration. In addition, it also has a capability to act as a therapeutic enhancer of radiotherapy and chemotherapy. The last one is anti-inflammatory. The andrographolite such as deoxandrographolite, neo-andrographolite, and dihydroandrographolite show effect and was significantly reduced against chemical-induced inflammation that causes by histamine, dimethylbenzene, croton oil, and acute pneumocystis produced by adrenaline.
Next is pharmaceutical application.
example of a commercial product derived from the Andrographis paniculata is shampoo berdugumi. It is a traditional herbal supplement that is rich in herbal Andrographis paniculata, which traditionally helps to relieve fever, cough, flu, and sore throat. Dosage for adults and children above 12 years old is 2 capsules, 2 times a day after meals.
Are efficiency extractions from Andrographis paniculata have been shown in clinical trials to considerable lessen upper respiratory tract infection symptoms. Patients treated with standardized extract experience significant improvement in their symptoms in placebo-controlled studies. According to one particular study, taking 2 grams 3 times a day as helpful as standard treatments in relieving pharyngotomyositis symptoms. For safety, Andrographis paniculata is generally regarded as safe in adults. Even at high doses, studies have not shown no significant adverse effect on vital organs in animal models. And the LD50 lethal dose for 50% of the population is quite high, indicating wide safety margin. However, large doses may lead to mild side effects such as gastric discomfort, vomiting, and loss of appetite.
The following are the regulatory requirements for herbal product, especially king of bitter product. According to NPRA, National Pharmaceutical Regulatory Agency guideline in Malaysia, the first requirement is product registration. Product intended for medical use such as king of bitter need to be registered with the NPRA under the Drug and Cosmetic Control Regulation. Next, product safety and efficiency. Manufacturer must submit evidence of product safety and efficiency which may include critical data or documentation of traditional use. And labeling product must comply with NPRA labeling guidelines, including information on dosage, indication, and contraindication. Okay, the next point is the following is an example synthesis for the labeling of product with the active ingredients. Andrographis paniculata active ingredient contains Andrographis paniculata with a concentration of insert dosage per unit, and for users indication, used traditionally to relieve fever, cold, flu, and sore throat.
Assalamualaikum. I will continue about labeling requirements, dosage or direction for use. Adult and children above 12 years old, 2 capsules each time, twice daily, top taken after meal. For warning, please consult the pharmacy or doctor if symptoms persist or worsen. Challenge, labeling and claims. Ensuring the products are correctly labeled and that health claims are subtained is crucial. Misleading claims can undermine consumer trust and lead to regulatory action. Consumers' prescription. Misunderstanding about the safety and efficacy of herbal products often perceived as inherently safe because they are natural can lead to misuse and potential health risks. The last one, traditional knowledge versus scientific evidence. Much of the use of king of bitter is based on traditional practice. Bridging the gap between traditional use and scientific validation is essential but can be challenging.
So, there is importance of Andrographis paniculata since ancient origins, which is antiviral and antimicrobial effects on human body, such as HIV and SARS coronavirus, which is inhibit viral replication. Second, antibacterial properties, which is effectively kills pathogens. For example,
Staphylococcus and Pseudomonas. It works by inhibiting tumor growth and inducing apoptosis in various cancer cells such as breast and colon cells. Moreover, it has advantages in cardiovascular system, which relaxing blood vessels and improving our blood flows. Next, its potential for future research in modern pharmaceutical applications, particularly in the fields of neurology and infectious disease. Firstly, due to its active compound traditionally may reduce liver injuries, oxidative damage in the brain, and inflammation. Besides, andrographolide exhibits neuroprotective properties, particularly in context of epilepsy. It has been shown to enhance GABA levels that can mark down seizure activity, which was superior to future research in the field pharmacy. And lastly, innovations such as nanoformulations and microemulsions also are being explored to enhance bioavailability.
Improvement in andrography paniculata used in medicine include standardizing extracts for dosage, consistently conducting larger clinical trials to validate efficacy and safety, and harmonizing international regulation to ensure product quality. Research should also explore potential synergistic effect with other herbs or drugs, along with deeper investigation into long-term safety and toxicity. Expanding research on its therapeutic potential in autoimmune and metabolic disease is key. Additionally, promoting sustainable cultivation and raising public awareness about proper use will support ethical sourcing and informed consumption, ensuring broader, safer medicinal applications. That's all for us. Bye!